Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up a league on Yahoo Fantasy. Welcome to this quick guide on how to set up a league on Yahoo Fantasy. First, head over to fantasysports.yahoo.com. Select the sport you'd like to play. Let's use football as an example. Sign into your Yahoo account, then click on Create a League. Give your league a name and hit Next. Now choose your scoring format. Head-to-head points work like a weekly tournament, while season points track total points over time. Select your draft type, whether online or offline, and then click Create League. After that, you'll see an invite link. Simply copy and share it with your friends so they can join. When they open the link, they'll be prompted to click Join League and create an account if they don't already have one. Once enough people have joined, you can even open the league to the public to fill remaining spots. And that's all it takes to create your own Yahoo Fantasy League. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.